Hi kids! Welcome to Color Creation. Say hi to my nephew. He is making a robot out of Legos. Shall we see? Let's go!
First of all, he's gonna show you the colors. Green, orange, there's blue, pink, purple, and white. Kids, do not forget to hit the subscribe button for more fun videos.
Wow, look at this! Yay! You have made a robot. You should give yourself a clap. Not in the front, Munchkin. There you go. Aw, kids. They are adorable. Thank you. See you in the next video.